Hi, Sterling Big Poppa Ball here. I'm cooking a really beautiful Sunday supper. Don't get too jealous of this. Just a little bit of beef. My doctor told me to cut back. Oh, I'm getting to cook a Chairman Reserve Primal Tomahawk. This is going to be so unbelievable. And we're going to start by, I'm going to trim it up a little bit, but then I'm going to make some chimichurri sauce using Alfregone's rub that we have in the store, www.bigpoppasmokers.com. It's very simple. We're going to make the chimichurri. We're going to use that as a glue for the tomahawks. Then we're going to use Double Secret, one of the greatest steak rubs ever. Maybe I think it's the best. We're going to put it in the Mac grills at 225, and we're going to smoke it until it's about 125. So let's start by making the chimichurri. Really simple. For each part of chimichurri, you put 1 part vinegar. So let's go. I think this might need 5. There's 5 there. Now I got a nice red wine vinegar. And we're going to do 5 of the vinegar. Now what we're going to do, once I get the vinegar in there, I'm going to stir it up and let it sit for about 15 minutes and open up all these herbs. And then when that's done, I put 2 parts each of olive oil. And then I'm going to put the crust on, the seasoning crust, top with the Double Secret, put it in the refrigerator for about an hour to kind of settle in, and then put it on the smoker. We'll be back in 15 minutes. Add the oil and we'll start trimming the meat. Okay, let's open this Chairman's Reserve up. We love Chairman's. We'll pull it out of here. Oh, that's fun. My F-Dick knife here on the side. I love this for butchering and trimming. Now, I'm just gonna start trimming. Bigger fat, because I want that seasoning to get in the meat. That's a good cut right there. I'm gonna leave some fat on. Fat's flavor, fat's a conductor. We don't have to trim that much, okay? But we do want the chimney getting in there. I want that smoke to be able to get in there good, and I want the seasoning to get in there. Trimmed and ready for action. 1 part of vinegar for 1 part of the chimichurri roux. This is so easy. And then 2 parts of olive oil for each one. So let's pull this out of here. Could be 6 of these. Now, you can make this, put it in a little jar, keep it in your refrigerator as a condiment. Chimichurri goes great on everything. Chicken, beef, pork, eggs, the work. So now we got our chimichurri sauce. Let me just taste it. It's super good. This is going to be just wonderful. Barely fits on my platter. Let's do this side first. We're going to come in here. I don't expect it to stick on the bone, but I'm going to put some on there. This side too. Now here comes the fun turn. My wife wants me to go to the gym. I'm just going to cook more tomahawks. Oh, chimichurri tomahawk. Where have you been all my life? Going to put a beautiful coat of Double Secret on it. What makes this great is Double Secret's got salt, pepper, garlic, all that stuff, onion and everything, but also has some citrus and some really good sea salt in addition to the great black pepper. So I'm going to see the big salt in the Double Secret. It's still a medium to low sodium rub. It's just, I'm using a heavy one. We're going to coat this really well. We'll get outside, and then we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it sweat. I talk about that all the time. I want to watch this. I want the salt to sit here. I want all the other ingredients to kind of mingle with the meat. And then I want that liquid that comes out of the meat to dissolve the salt, create a dry brine or just a brine crust. Let's put this baby on the Mac. This is testing the max capacity. We're going to put it bone side down first. All right, 1.5 hours. We'll flip it. So down here, I'm looking at 134, which is about medium rare, but as it residual cooks, it'll probably end up around medium to medium well, which is great. This is 133. The middle is 122. It's perfect. So I can give somebody who wants rare, I can give them medium. So that's the beauty about understanding what the temperature is of your roast when you're doing it. We're going to rest it on the stove for about 10 or 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to make some Brussels sprouts and other spices. We'll be right back. Here we go. It's rested. Let me go in here. Turn it around. Let me get the first one here, see what it looks like. For those of you keeping score at home, I would say this is a home run. Oh, yeah. Woo! Thank you, Chairman's Reserve. This is awesome. This should feed the 4 of us tonight. What do you think? I think I'm happy.